Happy New Year, guys. 2009. It's really cold out here. Alright, well that one didn't go off. And it's falling on top of our roof. Last one. Alright, Happy New Year. Oh wait, yeah, that's it. Alright, Happy New Year.